Alam mo ba, Carla, ang kasabihan na it's all in the mind. Lahat ng mga kailangan mong gawin, kailangan mo lang i-condition yung utak mo.
Alam ko lang yung dun sa The Secret, yung power of positive thinking. So, we'll learn more about that this morning, di ba?
Tama, kasi kasama natin ngayong umaga, Carla, si Dr. Arlie Imperio ng Achievers Club na magbibigay sa atin ng introduction sa kung ano ba yung mga pinag-uusapan niya sa mga free seminars na hinuhold nila. Good morning, Dr. Arlie.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning, JC. Good morning, Carla. It's nice to be here in your program. Good morning.
So, sir, how long have you been doing motivational speaking?
When I finished medicine, then that started. Maybe mga more than mga 15 years na siguro. And my motivation is to share the techniques on how a person can get what he wants. And then malungkot kasi karamihan marami silang gusto sa buhay kaso hindi nila nakukuha. Sana swertehin ako. Pero hindi na kailangan ganun eh. If you really know how. And you mentioned the power of the mind because this is one of the powers that we have. We have thoughts and the thoughts move within the template of the mind. We can prove that. You can prove that. Now, how are you using that particular power? May mga specific techniques yan na sa seminar lang pwedeng i-reveal. Kaya we are inviting everybody if they can attend the free seminars that we would be offering to them. This is a gift to the Filipino, let's say, as a nation and to the world in general, na a person has the power to get what he wants. Magnetic personality, peace of mind, achieving your goals, it's God-given. Kaya lang minsan malungkot, hindi natin nadidiscover na meron pala tayong ganon. It can be done consciously and sometimes we are able to get it unconsciously and then we get what we want. And do it consciously, then you can more or less, siguro 80% of what you want, you can get it.
Itong mga techniques na ito, sir, na sinasabi nyo, itong konsepto ng power of the mind, lahat ito ay nagmumula sa anong grupo ba, sir, or disiplina?
So unang-una, ito ay base sa universal laws. It is already there. Like, let's say when I say, do you have thoughts? Do you think? You can prove it. Now you do so, but what are the quality of your thoughts now? Is it focused on what you want? Because yung thought natin, mayroon niyang energy, mayroon niyang power. Any particular idea, thought that you continually dwell upon, you tend to attract. Oh, that's one. O ngayon, where is your, let's say, focus? If it's focused on what you do not want, na sana swertehin ako, bahala na, yung mga ganon-ganon. Yun ang mga typical weaknesses natin as a nation, na bahala na, kung swertehin. Hindi, we can do it deliberately. We can really get what we want and use the power of thought. Now, how to use the power of thought? There are many techniques which will be revealed in the seminar. Probably I can mention one. You write down what you want and then get all the pictures related to what you want and look at it as often as you can throughout the day, especially when you fall asleep and especially when you wake up in the morning. Oh, now everybody can do that. But are we? Usually we focus on worry before you sleep. We focus on worry when we wake up. So you will get everything to create more something to worry about in your life. Oh, kita mo, you're using it incorrectly. Pero even though you have a difficult life, but if you focus on what you want, and then let's say connect it to the highest source, which is God. So, Panginoon, tulungan niyo ako, ito gusto ko. Then I'll do my best to serve you, my country, and humanity. This is what I want. This is what I want. This is what for your glory, for whatever. You will notice something will happen. Parang apparently mysteriously, but it's not mysterious. It's based on law. You may call it the law of attraction. You tend to get what you always dwell upon. So the key question is, what are you dwelling upon every moment of the day? Now, there are specific techniques on how that can be done. And then usually if you attend seminars of the same nature, very expensive ang mga charges. Like one time I attended at a 5-star hotel in Manila, I paid 10,000 pesos for that seminar. And I didn't regret it. But here, when I got in touch with the group, wow, I'm so happy, I felt so blessed because I got more than what I had paid for. And it's given for free. And that's what we are trying to do again. We have many venues in Pampanga, in Batangas, in Laguna, in Quezon, in Manila. I will be the speaker in Manila, but there are also other, let's say, trained and good speakers in the areas I mentioned.
Okay, pero sir, ito pong mga techniques na kwento nyo sa amin, it can be applicable to any field, as in business, athletes, anyone can use it.
Yes, Carla, you're correct. Yan sinasabing X factor. Di ba? Minsan naririnig natin yan. Pero how do you develop it? Hindi yan sinaswerte. Ngayon, kunyari as a parent or as an adult, you have the technique. You can transmit that same knowledge to your kids. So meron tayong sinasabing child culture techniques. How to train up a child so that the child can get what he wants, and when he becomes an adult, he can serve God in humanity and the country. Kaya lang, yung mga first world countries na hinahanga natin, US, sa Europe, yung mga founding fathers nila, they got the techniques early in their national life. And now we're very happy. It's now here in the Philippines, and it's the group's urgent desire na ikalat sa mga Pilipino so that we create the new Philippines, the new Filipino who more or less realizes his God-given right that he can truly get what he wants and serve the country and humanity.
Actually, listening to it, Carla, no, para siyang, it's all about psychological conditioning. No,
Parang
na-
changing your mindset.
And it makes sense. No? It makes a lot of sense. Pero I wonder, sir, you are a medical doctor.
Medical doctor.
Is there any scientific or medical explanation sa ganitong power of the mind, doctor?
As a doctor, I have an advantage because when I studied medicine, I realized ang focus mainly is on physical health, physical body. But one of the techniques that we should realize is that we have a physical body, but we also have a mental body, we also have an emotional body. Hindi tatlo pala. Pagka nagkasakit ka, physical body yon. So, punta ka sa doktor. Pero, madidiscover mo, meron ka ring mental and emotional body. Walang ibang doktor ang pwede mag-doktor doon kundi ikaw. Kasi ikaw nakakakita kung ano yung emotions mo tsaka yung mental state mo. Who will do the correction? You. Who will do the treatment? You. But do you know how to do it? Usually, you also become a part of the problem. May problema ka na, ikaw pa ang problema. Ikaw na ang problema. Now, how to get out of that? May techniques. Yun ang na-discover ng Achievers Group. And we would like to spread that out throughout the Philippines. That's why we do it for free. When I give lectures and many other similar, let's say, projects, I am paid handsomely for it. But in this project of the group, even though I am not paid for it, I will be happy to do it because I would like to serve our countrymen, to give them all the techniques, and it has the best techniques in possession at this time.
I think it's wonderful that they will be doing this for free. Pero sir, ano ba yung ultimate goal ninyo? Ano po yung ultimate goal ninyo with the seminars?
The ultimate goal is for the person to realize that he has that God-given power, and he has at least 4 powers. Then it can expand to at least 7 powers to get what he wants. Even only one, gagalaw na. Yun ang ating ultimate goal, na makuha ng bawat Pilipino ang mga kapangyarihang ito na nasa loob na niya, na madiscover niya. Para tayong mga Pilipino talagang tatayo tayo taas noo. Kasi minsan ang conscious natin, medyo na alipin tayo ng mga dayuhan. Pagka dayuhan ang kaharap natin, we tend to bow down. Nakakalimutan natin na we have that dignity. In fact, ang ating background, maharlika tayo eh. Ibig sabihin ng maha, great. Ibig sabihin ng likha, nilikha. Maharlikans tayo eh. We are a great nation, a great race. We only forgot it. Now, we would like everybody to remember that.
And in doing this, meron silang 5 venues, Carla, no, na para sa ating mga viewers, no, baka gusto nilang malaman, sir. No, you're doing it in Manila, Batangas, Pampanga, Laguna, and Quezon Province. Tama ba,
Yes,
sir?
this will be this coming Saturday. It's at 1 o'clock in the afternoon up to 5 o'clock. Pero kulang yun. Pero kung sa mga maten sila, libre yan, makukuha nyo lahat. Tumawag lang sila sa isang number. And then that number, the person who will answer in that particular number will give all the details of the venues like in Batangas, Laguna, in Pampanga, in Quezon, and in Manila. So, if it's okay that I mention the number,
Yes, go ahead.
Go ahead.
the
sir.
number is 430-9332. Ulitin ko po, sulat po ninyo, 430-9332.
Okay, so sir,
This is June 1, Saturday. Lahat to ba, sir? Sabay-sabay? Manila,
Sabay-sabay yan.
Batangas, Pampanga, all right.
Sabay-sabay. Ako yung sa Manila. Yung sa Manila, it's done at the Asian Social Institute sa may Leon Ginto, Malate, Manila. Sa likod lang yan ng Philippine Independent Church
Okay.
sa may LRT Hilpuyat.
All right.
okay, so sir, last lang po, I guess we can invite our viewers to go to the seminar.
Yes, this is your friend Dr. Arlie Imperio. I would like to invite everyone to attend our seminars. Get the number 430-9332, and then you will get all the details to get the proper techniques on how to get what you want using the powers of your mind.
Alright, maraming salamat, Doctor, at good luck no, sa ating advokasya na maipakalat yung mga techniques na ito sa ating mga kababayan.
Yes. Thank you, Carla, for being a part of this and to the management and staff.
Thank you. Yan po si Dr. Arlie Imperio, isa pong motivational speaker na nagbibigay ng talks tungkol sa power of the mind at sa techniques na kailangan para magamit